This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dawn.crocker. This lovely brick ranch is move-in ready. Features family room, den with gas fireplace, eat-in kitchen with lots of cabinets, granite countertops and tiled backsplash, LG. Laundry room with deep sink, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, attached 1-car garage, walk-in attic, fenced backyard, deck, and extra wide driveway. Lots of new describes this one. New HVAC, new flooring, new doors, new fixtures, painted throughout, new gutters. Situated on a little over half an acre. Conveniently located with quick access to the interstate. For more information, review the details below.